Meaning of dog.
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 Dog. Dog is a common mammal and popular pet that belongs to the Canidae family. They are known for their loyalty, obedience, and friendly nature towards humans. Dogs have been domesticated for thousands of years and have played an important role in human culture. They come in various breeds, sizes, and colors, and are often used for hunting, guarding, or as companions. Overall, dogs are beloved by many for their companionship and playful personalities, making them cherished members of countless households around the world.